Here I have OnePlus Nord N30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Here, this one. By tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. By going to more. So here you can set up a schedule for this mode. Here you can also add exceptions to it. It could be like none, favorites, or contacts. You can add apps to exceptions. You can also ring for repeated calls. Repeated calls from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.